During a recent rainy day, I decided to move some of the seedlings that we planted into a planter. I had also gone to a store that morning and found the plant that I just placed in the planter, this one right here. I found that on the clearance section and decided to bring it home to perk it up a little bit, add it to my butterfly garden. So this is how I put it in the pot. Now, when you have seedlings that end up sprouting 2 or 3 in the same pot, you can simply just split it in half this way. They still have their root systems there. Each time I've done this, they've still successfully grown in the past. So I recommend splitting them apart and just planting them and letting them do what they will do. It was a very peaceful rainy day. Here I am organizing and splitting another set of seedlings that ended up sprouting from one seed. And I'm placing the different ones in kind of a random order so that they hopefully will grow multiple colors in little bunches for the butterflies and the hummingbirds and the bees. So the little pods that I planted them in are going to break down and become part of the soil and help feed the plants. So I just kind of break them apart a little bit as I add more soil between them in the planter. That's what I'm doing right here. We'll add more soil and make sure that all of the roots are surrounded with a good helping of soil. We'll cover all those little brown planters up. And then if you get a little bit of soil on your seedling, that's all right. Just kind of shake it off a little bit. There we go. This is what it looked like when I was done adding the soil.